Hey beauties, it's Chambray and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do a sleek ponytail on natural hair. Okay, so you can do this hairstyle on wet hair or dry hair. I find when I do mine on wet hair, it's actually easier to manage, which you can actually see my hair is extremely dry. So first you want to begin by combing out your hair, and I actually use Cantu Shea Butter to moisturize my hair along with applying water. Now you want to part out your hair in two sections. I do use a smaller tooth comb. Each section I do apply the Cantu cream all throughout and also apply water because, as I said earlier, my hair is extremely dry. Oh, and make sure your hair is combed out. Okay, so you guys know this is no secret. You know I love my Eco Styling Gel. So you want to apply that all throughout, getting a slick ponytail. Once gelled and slicked, you can go ahead and clip up the back. And a tip, I do use clips that do not have metal on it. I find when you use the clips that have the metal, it tends to rip out your hair. For the front ponytail, you're going to do the exact same thing that you did in the back. You're going to apply your cream, your water, and your gel, making sure you get a nice, sleek ponytail. Alright, so now for the fun part. So I have an instant ponytail sleek straight, which I wanted you guys to see. I paid $15. And I will leave a link in the description box with the exact ponytail that I used. So this ponytail comes with 2 combs and a drawstring. What you want to do is clip the top of the ponytail and the bottom of the ponytail combs over your bun. And then pull on that drawstring. Tighten that bad boy. with the hanging string, just wrap it around your ponytail and pin it using bobby pins. Okay, so for the wrapping of the ponytail, grab hair from the top and wrap it in the same direction the ponytail is falling, and then pinning it with bobby pins. So here I wanted you to see, you can wear it straight down. This ponytail you can apply heat so you can curl it, add curls to the end, or if you want, wrap it up and wear it in a bun. Now we ain't quite done, you gotta lay those edges. Okay, so let me know if this happens to you guys. After applying gel, your hair actually waves or curls up. So something that I do is I will put on a silk tie head, wear it for about 5 minutes just to flatten up my hair. Let me know in the comment section below, and maybe some techniques that you use to flatten your hair. So yes, now you are finished. There you have it, guys, my super easy drawstring ponytail on natural hair. But I hope you enjoyed it, and a thumbs up if you did like this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.